HVAC people!
All right, folks, got a no cooling call. Let's see if we can get some footage.
One of our air conditioners, we have one on each side of the house.
Okay.
And the one on this side that feeds the bedrooms has stopped cooling.
Okay. Is it blowing any air at all? Is it blowing warm?
It's just blowing, just the fan's running, but that's all.
Okay.
So it's kind of cool up in here right now. I'm gonna go ahead and lower this to probably about 60 just so it'll turn on. Okay, it's in heat mode. Let's see if we can get it to cool. Little critter there, bunch of them.
All right, so it's a very fine fan. We do have a flow switch. Bone dry.
Heat filter probably gonna be so bad. I figured that.
Those gonna have to get changed ASAP. Hey, Mr. King?
Yes, I'm coming.
Okay. Twice a year, every 6 months. These style filters right here. Or at least once a year. The reason I say...
We have a company that's supposed to be coming out and servicing, and they haven't been coming, so...
Okay. I can start coming out. We have a maintenance program. We can come out once a year.
We talk about that for sure.
Okay, but no, like I say, I'm not saying that this is the problem.
Yeah.
But
It's really dirty.
it has to be changed. I can get your sizes, just buy them by a 2-pack, and just sit them in the attic. Then when we come do the maintenance, they'll be up there and we just change them out.
Gotcha.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you a picture of this, of the size of this right here.
Okay. We have another unit.
You got another unit, yeah.
I want to be sure they're both the same
Right,
size.
right. Because the other one, I think maybe a 20 by 25, but we'll see. It is gonna be this 16 or 20.
Okay.
But I'll let you know.
Okay.
All right. All right, well, I just got somebody customer. Obviously, they haven't been changing the filters.
Get those changed out.
Is that the other one?
Yeah, the other one, so
Okay.
it's gonna be a 20 by 25.
Okay.
All right. So I guess this is the bigger unit. It probably serves the, we're gonna say the east side.
Yeah.
And this probably for the master bedroom. All right.
Rats been tearing it up over here. See, rats, they've been eating the insulation from the pipe. So anyway, y'all, this is not a maintenance or inspection, but I will probably run to get them some filters. We're gonna leave them out for now. Do a maintenance next time. Sign them up.
That's all you can do. That's all you can do. All right, let's go outside and we can get them some cooling. know we got us a customer. All right, so no, I hear a fan, no compressor, right? Just to take the suspense off, we're gonna go ahead and check refrigerant pressure. It does has a low pressure switch on here. I'll show you that here in a second. All right, so we got plenty of refrigerant in there. As you can see, we have a low pressure switch and a high pressure switch down there. But if those was open, I don't think we'll have a fan unless they got the fan just wired hot. So yeah. So when I say the carrier capacitor, I mean the color-coded ones. That's what I'm suspicious of. I do hear that compressor trying to start, but you see that contactor engaged or pulled in? See that? That let me know I do not have a safety open. Okay? All right, no power. So this is a 40 by 5, since the only thing that was not running was the compressor, so we're just gonna start there. Right, go to microfarads. And then I'm gonna go from common to the compressor. And we're getting the grand total of 5. Should be a 40 by 5. We're getting a 5. So we're gonna go ahead and change that out. I'm gonna go grab a 40 by 5.
What forms of payment can you accept?
Any. Usually we send the invoice to you. You can pay it on your phone, or I can do an email or
Card
text.
on the phone or something?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay. So I want my wires facing towards the coil. And the coil back that way. Got the evaporator coil right there. Got my arrow pointing towards the evaporator coil. And we'll put a date on it. All right, so we're gonna see if we can get this placed out. We got a 40 by 5, 40 by 5. Sorry about the lawnmower in the background. Probably gonna have it a lot this summer around here. As soon as you wanna record, they pull up. Okay. So I bought a bigger bracket just in case this one don't fit. Like it might fit. bit too big for me. A little bit too small, I think. All right, y'all, that's not gonna work. So what I'm gonna do is put this one probably about right here. All right. Then I'll take this and fold it on the inside so it won't cut nobody. So that'll be folded like that. Right, so I take this one. So I know this is my common, so I don't want to stretch it too far. This compressor, that's for a hard start. So we're just the common terminal. All right, so I'll put the OEM screw back in here. It'll go right back in that little hole they had. That's what you call a perfect bracket. Okay, so my blue is for my Herm. That is the compressor. That's if you got a carrier unit. My brown is for my fan. And the yellow is the contactor or common. As you can see is on the common winding. Now, let's see if we can get that beautiful compressor sound. So this should start going down to about 100 on my suction. Like I said, we should get that old good compressor sound. Yep, I heard it. What we want. They run for a little while. Let's just stabilize, marinate. Let that marinate a little bit. All right. We got us 2 new brackets. Well, 1 new. Junk. A bunch of junk. Yep, carrier, I appreciate it. Y'all gonna make me a lot of money. Keep on installing these. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go let that run. I'm gonna go speak with the homeowner. Then we got us a new customer. That's a good thing about working for warranty. You can make lifetime customers and good customers at that. Some of these neighborhoods is heavily targeted as far as the multi-million-dollar companies. You know, they ad campaign is hard to compete. But a lot of these warranty companies, especially if you purchase a new house, they only last for a year. A lot of people don't renew, so give me an opportunity to build that relationship. And but 9 times out of 10, none of the warranty companies cover maintenance. Some of them do. Some of them even have a tune-up program. But so think about it like that. You can always come and make you a couple $100 on maintenance. All right, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed that. As always, thanks for watching. On to the next. We got carrier. On to the next.